Hi guys, welcome back to Samad's Cool and Crazy Universe, and in today's video I'm going to solve my pyramid Rubik's Cube. The pyramid Rubik's Cube is very easy to solve, and it all depends if you're lucky or not. If you're lucky, then you'll solve it very quickly. If you're not lucky, then you will take lots and lots of time to solve. So it's all jumbled, and here I go. 3, 2, 1, go. And it's solved in 48 seconds. Actually it's 47, but it took me 1 second to stop it. Now I'm going to jumble it again. And I don't know this time if I'm going to be lucky, because last time I was not lucky. Usually if I'm lucky, I finish it off in 25 to 30 seconds. So, reset this. 3, 2, 1, go. So I solved it again, now in 49 seconds. This time also I was not lucky. I'm going to jumble it again, and this is going to be the last solve. I hope this time I'm lucky. I don't know. Reset it, and 3, 2, 1, go. This time I'm lucky. It's in 24 seconds. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, Samad's Cool and Crazy Universe. Bye.